Hello traders and scalpers, welcome back to the Stock Market Scalper channel. I'm your host Scalper779, and in this video we're going to be looking at a couple call options and 3 put options, and they're all going to be in regards to the spiders. So here on the left here in the blue chart, this is just the regular hours, 9:30 to 4 o'clock. We got the price action on the spiders, okay? And in the morning, we had a little action going up. So as you can see on the right side here, the green chart, this is the 488 call. Okay, and here's 48.88 right here. So you can see price penetrated that level quite a bit, more than 50 cents on this first move up. And it's just fascinating to see how these options react. I know there's science, Theo, theta, a whole bunch of Greek stuff. I don't really go over that. That's not really, I don't really pay, I know there's a science to it, but I don't pay attention to it. I just want to see for myself how it reacts. And so if you weren't going to day trade or scalp the spiders, but you're interested in looking at trading an option for it, a naked call option, well, here you go. This was your best bet in the morning. You got a low price of 26 bucks right here. Now, of course, you'd have to be an expert to get that price, and sometimes it's hard to get filled right at the low, but anywhere around the $30 level, that'd be golden. And within 45 minutes, we're up. This one's a high of $112. And again, someone who hasn't seen a chart of an option, the letters on the side over here, sorry, not the letters, the numbers. So that's not 96 cents, that's $96. Everything you see concerning an option, you have to multiply by 100. So this one right here, it represents $100. So down here, you see, it looks like it's 26 cents. No, you have to multiply it by 100. It's $26. So you got the low of $26, and the high of this candle is 112, and this one is 116. What a fantastic move. And this is not really a big move either. But it's earlier in the day, and the options really react, especially when they expire on the same day, which this call option does or did. It reacts really quickly, and it loses value really quickly as well. So what else? So price came back down here. What do we got here? 11.15, and then it slowly climbed back up. These are 15-minute candles, by the way. Pierced the high over here and came back down. And if you've seen a previous video I posted, I've probably gone over the technicals as to why it went down here. It's very fascinating. Check that video out if you haven't done so already. But the price action on the 488 call here, what low? We got low of 52 bucks, and it went back up to $113. So doubling your money right there. Pretty good stuff. So next, let's look at, so we got the 88. It almost went to the 489 level. Let's check that out. So again, these are strike prices. I got them at 10. You can get more or less if you want. We said the 489 call. So I'll just highlight the action for today. And again, it's going to be cheaper. What's the low here? 10 bucks. 10 bucks is the low here. You'd be lucky, a good entry is anywhere between $10 and 17 bucks. This is 17 low right here. Anywhere in here, because this was a pretty quick move right here. But yeah, 15. Let's say you got 15 bucks, right? 15, $16 right here. Boom, 10.15, 10.30, all the way up to 60 bucks, 62 bucks high. Yeah, you're more than double, triple, quadruple. What else comes back down? You got a low of 23 bucks. So that's 11.15, and 11.15 is right here. And it slowly went up. And so from 23 all the way up to 54. 54. So another double right there. Not bad. Not bad. So those were the two call options that we went over. And again, this is just a reference for you guys. If you don't track options but you're interested, you can buy these things the same way you buy a stock, an ETF. Okay. Depending on your trading platform, you might need a little bit more money in the account. Who knows? But yeah, it's a lot cheaper and a lot more lucrative, in my opinion. There are disadvantages as well, but that's for another video. Let's move on to the puts. So the first put I want to look at is the 488 put. So let's highlight. Oh, was this no, not that one. And some of these options, like some of them you can use some technical analysis too, right? Like look at that. It doesn't work all the time, right? So I wouldn't put too much into it, but again, it just fascinates me how everything gets connected one way or another. So here we go, put. So you make, I didn't mention it before, on the calls, when the market goes up or the stock goes up, the call option is going to make money. When the market goes down or the stock goes down, then the put option is going to make money. It's going to rise in value. So as you can see here, the spiders went up, this put went down in value. But at the peak here, right at the high here, this was the low, and the low here was $37, right? So if you bought anywhere between, I don't know, 40 and 50 bucks, you're golden. Because, and if you knew to hold it, which again, if going back to the spiders chart, close in the gap, as they say, close in the gap. Right, here's the high from Monday, and here's the high from yesterday, Tuesday, and price came down, closed that gap. So now tomorrow, well, I don't know what tomorrow's going to happen. What's going to happen tomorrow? But anyway, this downward move, closing the gap, and here we go. You got your $40 put option, goes all the way to what? Almost $300. So a low of 36, 37, 38 dollars to $296. Pretty impressive if you ask me. Now let's see the price action for the 487. I think again, you know, you can do it like that, just as a, like you're thinking, okay, where's price going to go? If I get in somewhere around here or wherever, where can price go if it goes my way? Well, there's one way to figure it out. Okay. But again, don't put too much weight into that. What's the low here? What is the low here? 13. 13. What's the low here? Yeah, 16. So anywhere between $15 and $20. Because again, it's, if you're picking the lows on this thing, man, I want to be watching your videos. Don't be watching mine. You get in here between 15 and 20 bucks, right? Just one option. Look at what it does. Even right here, a high of 20, 125 bucks. Was that 100% move? I don't know. I mean, I'm not good at math, but You put in 25, you put in 20 bucks here and you get back, you know, 120. And there is, I see a lot of, you know what, I'm going to make another video sometime and explain some things I see on these options. But for now, I don't want this video to be too long. So what's the high here? 196. So we went all the way from 13 bucks to 196. Not bad. Not bad at all. So this was the 87 put. Let's look at one more. 86. 486 put. And I think this was the one that really... No, it didn't work. Whatever. That doesn't really matter to me. Because over here, going to this chart, if you know that closing that gap is within reach, well, then that's what you're going to look for. Price action to, okay, once it closes the gap, then you sell, you know, you'll be anywhere near the high here, right? Selling. Anyway, the low is $7. See that? 0.07. It looks like it's cents, but no, it's $7 for this one contract. And it went, that's a high of 64, and it came all the way down to 16, 19 low. Oh, the high was what? 81. Came back down, 19. You could have gone in again, like buying and selling. It's pretty easy to do that if you know what you're doing with practice over time on these options here. And then look, went right from 19 all the way to $102 just in one candle, one 15-minute candle. Something for you guys to look at, study, think about, ask me questions. I know a few more things that I've noticed, but anyway, I think this video's been gone on for long enough. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe. Please like the video if you got something out of it, and we'll see you in the next one.